welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chads. Today, we are making split pea soup. And trust me, it's better than it looks.
Which is good, because it looks disgusting.
Don't judge a book by its cover. # Mary Poppins reference. Anyways, so we have a special surprise for you.
Me.
This is our special guest named Aspen. She's one of my best friends, and basically like a sister to me.
And she's pretty good in the kitchen, too. Okay, cut.
Cut.
Peace out.
Alright, so now we're going to quickly tell you all the ingredients you need for this recipe. We have our major and minor ingredients, or as I like to call it, the food and the flavor. And our hosts are going to tell you about both of those now. So Chad, why don't you go ahead and tell us about the food?
So, you'll need 5 carrots, a yellow onion, 5 stalks of celery, 1.5 pounds of split peas, and 2 pounds of potatoes.
And what kind of potatoes?
Gold Yukon.
That's right. Alright, Aspen, why don't you tell us about this stuff here?
So, my mom said that white vinegar is important, and we all trust my mom, so let's just
None of us really know why, but we're just going to trust.
So, white vinegar, smoked liquid to add flavor, vegetable-based bouillon, minced garlic, bay leaves, and they add flavor to it.
And for some reason, the bay leaves are a really important ingredient. No one really knows why.
No, except
Nobody
my
knows
mom.
why,
My
but
mom.
literally every person and their dog will tell you you have to have them if you're making split pea soup.
And their hamsters.
And their hamsters.
So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put all the liquid components into the water before we start cutting everything up. That gives it a chance to kind of dilute and dissolve into there before we start adding solid ingredients. So, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic, because I'm too lazy to make my own garlic.
So you're going to want 1 tablespoon of this white vinegar.
Okay, so now we are going to do 1 teaspoon of the liquid smoke. And I think that should be enough.
Finally, we're going to do 2 teaspoons of this vegetable bouillon. Now, this is liquid vegetable bouillon, which is a substitute for bouillon cubes. And again, Aspen's mom told me this is the way to go, and I don't question her. It's kind of a pain.
Also add 9 cups of water.
Oh yeah, we started out with 9 cups of water. I forgot to say that part. But, you know.
5 million years later.
Okay, now we'll mix that up and we'll start on the solid ingredient.
Woo!
Go ahead.
We are currently washing the potatoes.
So Aspen's a big believer in washing vegetables. I'm pro dirt, so I
is
normally
my mom.
don't.
She always washes vegetables.
But, you know, you got to sort of do what the talent wants sometimes, because you know how actors are. Alright, now, so one of the reasons that Aspen came over to do this is so that she could cut. Because it's always good to have the middle-aged children do all the knife work.
Okay, so the good news is all the small people survived with all of their digits intact, so that's a win. Chalk that up as a win. And we're gonna put all the potatoes in here. Now the potatoes are the only of the solid ingredients that are going to go in chunky. So this is going to be mostly kind of a split pea soup is mostly very soupy, almost the consistency of baby food. Potatoes give it a little bit of chunkiness.
Big chungus.
Okay, so the other 3 ingredients, the carrots, the celery, and the onion, we're going to chop up in the food processor. But first we've got to cut them up into manageable sizes to get in there. So you start with the yellow onion, cut the end off.
Prepare your eyes, people.
Okay, so now the onions are cut up. What are we gonna do with them?
We are going to grind it. So you're just gonna take. Do I put all the onion in?
Yep.
All the onion.
Oh, my fingers are gonna stink.
Make sure to rub your eyes.
You kidding me? No, that's great. That's bad.
It's a little onion humor for you.
Bad dad jokes.
Bad dad jokes. I'll be here all week.
Turn it on until it stops working. And then the other one.
Where did I touch my eyes?
That was a joke when I said that.
I know.
You want this? So now you're just gonna scoop all that in there.
Oh, my eyes burn. I can't see.
Just doing it blind.
Yep.
Do you think cutting an onion makes you cry? Try chopping one in a food processor.
It hurts. Are my eyes watering?
Yeah, mix it up.
So chopping an onion might make you cry. Try grinding it and chopping it, and my eyes turned red. Just, yeah. Bye.
Okay, so Aspen's washing the carrots.
We wash everything at my house. Everything.
Okay, so now what are we doing?
We are going to chop off like a little bit of the end off, because no one wants to eat that.
No,
Nasty.
not even I want to eat that.
You
Not
go
even
garbage.
Not even Ivy.
And there's just a little bit right there. See, not much.
That end's probably fine.
So, one, I'm eating a piece of a carrot. Two, I'm currently chopping, I'm chopping a carrot into 1-inch pieces.
Careful.
Should I chop this one?
No, that's fine.
There
Perfect.
you go. So he's chopping the carrots now because I couldn't stop eating them.
Yeah, so basically this recipe's gonna have about 4 carrots in it because she took a bite out of every third time. Okay, so now we're gonna take all this stuff, I'm gonna put it here, and I don't know what she was crying about because this isn't gonna hurt my eyes at all.
The onion
The onions.
Oops, I may have pissed it off. Oh.
Leave a like on this video.
So now we've grinded that up. So again, with everything but the potatoes, we want to get everything kind of fine, so it's very mushy. As you can see there,
That's nasty.
it's delicious. Are you playing a video game right now?
Yes.
Dude, we are working. Not time to play video games. Freaking millennials. Wait, I'm a millennial. Freaking whatever your generation is. Okay, so finally we're just gonna cut up these 5 chunks of celery. I know celery is kind of a weird food. Nobody's ever really sure why we're eating it, but it goes really good in this recipe. So here we are.
I
Okay.
spilled water on
Stop.
myself.
Cut. So now we're gonna put these in this.
The grinder, chopper, whatever.
Yeah.
Full processor.
Food processing.
Oh my gosh, now she's eating the celery. It's like a rabbit.
Gotta kind of eyeball it in here. It's almost gonna feel wrong. Sorry, I just had to say that from the first episode. It was funny.
3rd episode.
I mean, yeah, 3rd episode.
I've actually already trademarked that word, so if you use that again, somebody else uses it, I'm gonna sue them.
2, 1.
subscribe and like.
It's good.
One bite.
You hold it, I'll special it.
I want to special it.
Then I'll hold it. Did you click action?
Okay.
I said I would hold it.
So I need to get to a right angle where I can spatula it.
That splashed in my nose.
2, 1.
So obviously the most important part of split peas soup is the split peas. Duh. Okay. Anywho, we are going to try to measure this in here to get 1 pound and 8 ounces.
6, 7. Okay. Perfect.
Oh, 81 ounces!
It's 1 over.
So now we have exactly 1 pound and 80 ounces. And we
80 ounces.
8 ounces, whatever. And you're gonna take it and you're gonna gently pour it in because you don't want it to splash. So we are going to gently pour it into the baby food.
Into the baby food.
Okay, so Chad, what are you doing?
Putting the bay leaves in.
And how do you do that? You stick it down in the bottom?
No. You carefully put it on top.
Let's see. Wait. Before.
Okay, before we put the 3 bay leaves on, we want to stir it up. So Aspen's gonna do that.
I'm getting there. Don't rush the genius.
I'm not rushing you. Still. Okay, a little extra split peas if you want. Now you can gently put the bay leaf on top so it doesn't go down to the bottom.
Uno. Dos. Tres. And you heat it up. And that's split pea soup. Peace out.
Now, Chad, do you know why we put 3 in there?
No.
I don't
Flavor!
Even, I just pulled that number out of my butt.
Okay, so when that's all said and done, the lid on, lock it down. Now the wonderful thing about a crock pot is that we're done for the night. And if you're like me, after an hour and a half of cooking, pretty over it. Especially the cleaning part, which I did all by myself. But anyway, so then we gotta, okay, so we're gonna turn it on to cook on low for 8 hours. Now, if you have one of those crock pots that doesn't have an auto off timer, I feel bad for you, son, because otherwise you have to like time things. So 7:40 at night, I'll turn this on for 8 hours. It'll cook on low for 8 hours, cook through the night, and then in the morning, I will dish it out.
Mm-hmm. And look up.
All right, so it's morning time. I already removed the bay leaves and threw them away. Now it actually looks all right if we stir it, but baby food. And like I said, it's disgusting looking. It tastes great. And this will make about 6 2.5 cup servings. So I'll dish it out 2.5 cups each one, and then there'll be a little bit left that I'll ladle out evenly to get even servings. And then let it cool and put it in the fridge, and you're ready for the week.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and tell your friends, and blah, 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 marketing.
Make sure to leave a comment if you want me back on this channel. Bye!
Bye, Kev.
Here, eat a carrot. Ow! Bye.